Meet the AudiCook 1.5L electric hot pot with steamer, the perfect multifunctional kitchen gadget. Cook, steam, and serve delicious meals for 2 to 3 people in minutes. Its non-stick surface, adjustable temperature, and safety features make cooking easy, fast, and healthy, great for home, work, or travel. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Vocha Electric Hot Pot, a versatile 1.5-litre mini multi-cooker perfect for dorms, apartments, or travel. With its non-stick surface, it cooks everything from eggs to pasta quickly and healthily. Safe, compact, and easy to clean, it's the ideal kitchen buddy for delicious, hassle-free meals anytime. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the AudiCook Electric Hot Pot with steamer, a compact and stylish 1.5-litre kitchen wonder perfect for quick, healthy meals on the go. With fast 360-degree heating, dual power control, and a stainless steel steamer, you can make everything from ramen to eggs with ease. Its non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Vocha Electric Hot Pot, a compact 1.6-litre multi-cooker with a keep warm function that maintains your food at perfect temperatures from 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. Perfect for cooking pasta, soup, eggs, or vegetables in minutes. It's lightweight, portable, and ideal for small kitchens, offices, or travel. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the AudiCook Electric Hot Pot, your new kitchen best friend. With dual power settings of 350 watts and 800 watts, it's perfect for everything from making eggs and ramen to steaming salmon or sizzling steaks. Its non-stick ceramic coating makes cooking healthier and cleaning a breeze. Compact, versatile, and efficient. Your perfect travel companion for delicious meals anytime. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the D-Zin electric cooker, a compact 2-litre non-stick sauté pan that's perfect for dorm rooms, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. With adjustable power up to 600 watts, it heats quickly and cooks everything from noodles to eggs with ease. Plus, it's easy to clean, safe, and includes a silicone spatula and egg rack. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the D-Zin Electric Hot Pot with steamer, your new kitchen assistant. With a 1.5-litre capacity, powerful 600-watt motor, and food-grade, non-stick coating, it cooks and sautés food quickly and healthily. Perfect for ramen, eggs, steak, or oatmeal, plus it's compact and stylish. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.